The Mueller Centurion main valve repair kit includes one seat ring, one top seat O-ring marked with a white dot, one bottom seat O-ring, one reversible main valve, one new style lower valve plate needed when repairing a pre-1997 hydrant, one stainless steel lock washer, and one cap nut seal. To replace the main valve, first shut off the auxiliary valve and make sure there's no water pressure on the hydrant. Remove the weather cap if present, the hold-down nut, operating nut, and anti-friction washer from the bonnet. Remove the bonnet bolts and nuts. Before the bonnet is lifted off the stem, slip the brass safety sleeve over the stem threads to protect the O-ring seals. Remove the bonnet. The A359 seat wrench is ductile iron and weighs only 15 pounds. It has both a cast slot and drilled hole at its base. It also has a support arm that can be adjusted and locked in place by a thumb screw. A normal main valve replacement is done from the bonnet flange. Slide the slot of the wrench over the stainless steel pin located just below the stem sleeve on the upper stem. Thread the operating nut back onto the upper stem to secure the seat wrench in place. Lower the support arm and adjust it against the flange of the upper barrel. Tighten the thumb screw. This will support the weight of the wrench and the stem and hold the main valve assembly in the closed position. Turn the seat wrench counterclockwise 6 to 7 turns. Loosen the T-handle and remove the wrench. Slip the stem and main valve assembly out of the barrel. Flatten the stainless steel lock washer. Remove the ductile iron cap nut and cap nut seal with 2 pipe wrenches, one to support the stem, one to turn the cap nut. Slip the lower valve plate off of the stem. Use a large screwdriver to carefully pry the main valve off the stem. Remove seat ring, inspect and replace parts as necessary. Replace the main valve, replace the lower valve plate, using the new plate supplied in the kit, if the hydrant is prior to 1997. Tighten the cap nut. Bend the stainless steel lock washer over one flat of the lower valve plate and one flat of the cap nut. Clean and lubricate the threaded portion of the seat ring and O-ring seals. Push the assembly into the closed position and carefully lower the assembly back into the hydrant. Place the wrench back on the stem and secure it to the upper stem with the operating nut. The support arm should still be set from removal. Turn the wrench clockwise until it's snug and apply approximately 200 foot-pounds of torque. Open the auxiliary gate valve. Replace the bonnet. The brass safety sleeve should be used to protect the O-ring pressure seals from damage from the stem threads. Replace the operating nut, anti-friction washer, hold-down nut, and weather cap if present. Add lubricant and operate the hydrant to check for correct operation of the new main valve. The same procedure can be done from the lower barrel flange using the 2 drilled holes in the bottom of the seat wrench.